Welcome to my channel. My name is Moses, and today I will be showing you how to blur a picture if the background is not too appealing. And yeah, this is a picture I'm going to blur, so just follow me through the tutorial. You're going to go to your files or place embedded and select the same picture. Instead of selecting the same picture, you can just copy the picture backwards, open our layer. The first thing you have to do is to open your layer. So this is our layer. Ctrl J to duplicate layer, and there we already have these two layers. You can see it, this second layer. So what is the first thing to do is to select the image. Select the image by going to select subject, many people do use these selecting tools, but I feel that the selecting tools is a time wasting stuff. So just go to select and to select the main object that is in your background, that is in your picture, your image. So yeah, after selecting, now this is the tricky part. Shift Ctrl I, it will invert your selection. That means whatsoever you're going to do is not going to affect your image, but it's going to affect the background. So after this, select this image and go to your filter to blur, Gaussian blur. Sorry for that. Yeah, you can see you use this thing to measure how your blur one. How do you feel it? Too much? So you can see. I think this should be okay. How do you feel it from the initial? Can you see the difference? You can go ahead to clean the image. Let's still select it. So you go to your camera raw filter, increase the exposure, increase the contrast. These two options are for the color. It makes the color become more brightened. Then go to your texture. Anyone that you wish, but I prefer to increase it. Clarity, you can reduce the clarity or you can increase the clarity. Let me reduce it. Then your haze, it will dehaze your color, and after that go to these options and increase the luminance. Whoosh! What do you see? Ctrl D to deselect. And yeah, people, we have blurred the background and we have enhanced the picture. So see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.